I am finally back after like a really long time, and today I am gonna do a video about my March. Wait, is it March or is it April? Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna talk about is a deodorant, which is like the most basic thing and something that all of us use every day. Right? The deodorant that I used during March is from Nike. Women extreme range, and it's called Urban Musk, and it's a must. Wow, nice. So I think that you should use this deodorant because like it smells like heaven. I'm not even kidding, and it's like really long lasting. Shout out to my BFF for suggesting me this deo. The next thing that I'm gonna talk about is another basic thing, and all of us have it. It's a moisturizer. So the moisturizer that I used in March is from Bath & Body Works. It's called Ultra Shea Body. I assure you, you're going to be addicted to this. You won't regret buying it. And lastly, it says be joyful. Why not buy it? The next thing that I'm going to talk about are face masks. That's the first face mask that I'm going to talk about is from Himalaya. It's a neem peel off face mask. It is supposed to lighten pimple marks, but it does not do that, so I don't really like this one. I wouldn't recommend it to you, but I would definitely recommend this one to you. It's an orange peel off face mask from the Body Care. And okay, so I started using this last year, but then I totally forgot about its existence, and then I reordered it this month, I mean March first week I guess, and I totally love it because the post glow is amazing, and I mean it just makes you feel so good, and it just gives you all this self-care vibes. I am not even kidding. You should totally get this for yourself. It's just the best face mask ever. And the next one is a charcoal face mask. I honestly do not know the brand, but like I've been using it since the past month, and I like this. It's like really nice. It's kind of painful, but all charcoal peel off masks are painful, so you could get this for yourself. It's from, I don't know, TBC by Nature Organic. I have no clue what this brand is, but it's a good face mask. You should get this. Another thing that I used in the past month and I really loved was this toner. It's a cucumber toner from Ozone, and I love this. I mean, everybody should be using a toner. It's like really good for your skin. It just removes all the pores. You could just spray it on your face, or you could just take like a cotton ball and dab it on your face like that. I love this. I love this, and it smells really nice. You should really get this for yourself. It's like easily available. The next thing that I'm going to talk about is another super basic thing that literally every girl owns. It's an eyeliner, and the eyeliner that I used this month is the Gigi Hadid eyeliner. My mother ordered it for me, and I totally love it. It's like a pencil eyeliner. I'll show you like this, and it's smudge proof, and it's long lasting, and it's just amazing. Okay, so that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you share it with your friends. Make sure you give your feedback in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'm really sorry for disappearing for the past 2 months. I swear I won't do it again, and I'll be back next week with like a really exciting video. Till then, keep spreading love and kindness. This is the first face mask. So the first face mask is the first face mask that I'm going to talk about is from Himalaya.